it always crops in. Looks good and then it just, it's like, hey, what's going on? It's the day before camping. To be honest, I feel like a bag of dicks. I haven't been feeling well, but I am pushing through because I am determined to go on this camping trip because I know myself. And if I don't go on this one, then I'm probably just not gonna go ever. We've got all the stuff laid out on the bed, well, almost all of it ready to go, ready to be packed up. Everything else camping wise was in the last vlog. My camping kit, that's all in the lounge room ready to be taken down and packed into the car. Good morning. It's the morning of leaving to go camping and it is raining. And I've checked the weather forecast for Coffs and it's like,
it's gonna rain!
Like 40 to 50% chance of rain all day. And that's okay. I'm manifesting clear skies for when I get there. On arrival, can get my tent set up, maybe put your tent up under the structure. Cunt's fucked for weather today. A little look around. I'm not gonna push it with the universe, but just let me get it set up in the dry, please. What am I doing? That's my ego at the moment, is like, what the fuck are you doing? What are you doing? But then I'm also like, if I wasn't doing this, what would I be doing this weekend? Do you know what I mean? Like, it's raining here. Just being raw and real here, right? Not like trying to pretend like, oh my god, this is so easy and it's exciting. Out of the comfort zone. Pushing past it. I just got petrol, I got ice for the SQ1 bag, perfect amount. This is the part where I want to cry. I've literally, I don't know if you can see, I've driven to the wrong area and it's like full bush spec. I don't know what the fuck I've done. And it's just started buckling down. I'm like, remain calm.
Oh my god! Okay, it's happening! Everybody stay calm! What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure? Stay calm!
I don't know if you can see, it is all just like bush. And it was fucked. I was like driving up here being like, this can't be right. It wasn't. The guy that owns the place, Shane, he's just messaged me and he's like, put your tent up under the structure. I think in other words that means cunt's fucked for weather today. But it's a stunning property. Like, I'm in the middle of nowhere at the moment. I feel very safe though. I don't feel like there's a caravan like down there. There's no one else around. Oh, now I just got a little bit of anxiety then. Maybe I don't feel safe. So this is the camping ground. How stunning though. Like, it is beautiful. So beautiful. Looks like I'm like, I think that might be where like the toilets and stuff are. There's a caravan down there. They look very well set up down there. I love that they say please feed the magpies. That is so cute. There's like a little fire here. Apparently he puts on. And like a wood fire oven. Why do I do this shit to myself? I don't know. It's like, oh, it'd be like so nice to just be on your own, but as nice as it is, I just had this sudden thing of like, gonna get dark. Gonna get dark. Is this where, do I leave here or am I here forever? The good thing is I actually can film in here because I'm the only person here. Bathroom. You've got 2 showers. I was like terrified opening this. Showers. So yeah, 2 showers. He said there should be solar because it's been hot today, and you got 3 toilets. Loads of toilet paper. Anyways, this is my alcoholic beverage. I'm kind of glad I am creating content because I feel like if I wasn't, I'd feel very alone right now. I keep looking for cameras. So my mate that I used to live with, he used to have cameras in the backyard, and ever since then it's made me very paranoid about cameras. This is one of the things that I love about camping, is that the smallest, most like normal things just make you so fucking happy. Like the fact that I have that delicious pasta and it's going to taste 10 times as good as what it would if I was eating it at home. I don't know why, there's just something that like makes you appreciate. Yeah, I'm really proud of myself for actually coming, because I know what I'm like, and if I didn't actually yeah, I would probably never do it. I'll just have all this camping gear for no reason. So I'm just set up underneath this thing. And yeah, I'm, you know, basically glamping, because I've got my blanket from home. This is just like an old sheet that I had to go with that. I'll just put down that mat to make it a bit nicer. What a vibe. What a vibe. I hope it's like doing it justice of how it's actually such a stunning property. And I did a test run of this at home. Just gonna pop that on there. Just put some water in there, and I'm gonna have pasta, and I have a fucking shit ton of it, because why not? Oh my God. I brought so much with me. Oh, yum. Thinking someone's coming behind me. Really well. I did wake up maybe once or twice, like really scared. I think once I was having a nightmare because I was dripping in sweat, and it's not like it was cold overnight, but not to the point where I was a little bit worried that it would be like too cold. But it was like snug, which was nice. Hey, you my camp friend. Hey, you my camp friend. My neighbours have now gone. It's just me and the forest. Right, discovered this pool. So Shane was telling me about this yesterday. She like come down here, but the other people were like camping just there, so I didn't want to intrude. But yeah, this is the pool. I'm slightly terrified because I can't see the bottom. You can't see the bottom there, and it is a bit cold. I put my feet in there before, but I feel like I should at least give it a little bit of a go. And is the next time I'm going to be out here? Like realistically, it may be never. So I should just get in, even though I'm terrified. It was my last night. Didn't sleep very well. I was very anxious last night. I think because I was the only one here on camp. I just had a lot of thoughts running through my head, and the fact that there is just like so much space. And you just think, even though it's very secluded and things, there's a lot of people that have camped here before, or like, I don't know. There's just people that could come here still. Make sure these are all unlocked, because you're going to be pushing the air out from that way up to this way. Essentially, I'm just doing it on the flat ground over here. I want to too hot in this, I can feel it. I think it's like this, maybe this first roll is really good. I don't have to unpack it when I get home to dry it or anything. So I definitely definitely got out of my comfort zone doing this. It was a real push. I think it's like not even just like, oh, well, I make myself look stupid. It was like a genuine safety thing, and I think other women will be able to understand that. I don't particularly know if men would be able to understand that. Yeah, anyways, didn't die. Oh yeah, still gotta make it out of here, but all is good. All is good. So, yeah.